Mutual accident forgiveness means they won't have you rate over one mistake.
Okay.
Liberty Mutual doesn't hold grudges.
Stay.
For drivers with accident forgiveness, Liberty Mutual won't raise their rates because of the first
Stay.
accident.
Liberty. I'm Jimmy Dean, and I wish I could tell you how I feel about a morning like this. And that includes a good hearty breakfast. You need something to kind of warm the whole body up and get it going. It's a great way to kick off your day.
Hiring? It's a big deal. Finding the right candidates can take up lots of your time and energy. But not on Indeed. Millions of great people are using Indeed every single day. People with every possible combination of skill and experience. And with filters to help you find them faster, whatever type of candidates you're looking for, you'll find them on
He's
Indeed.
probably asleep by now.
Accelerate your hiring even more with a
I think so.
$50 credit to start
Yes.
your first job post with premium placement on Indeed.
Jimmy's gotten used to his whole room smelling like sweaty odors. Yep, he's gone nose blind. He thinks it smells fine, but his mom smells this. Luckily for all your hard-to-wash fabrics, there's Febreze Fabric Refresher. Febreze doesn't just mask, it eliminates odors you've gone nose blind to. And try Febreze Unstoppables for fabric. With up to twice the fresh scent power, you'll want to try it again and again, and maybe just one more time. Indulge in irresistible freshness. Febreze Unstoppables. Breathe happy.
When you rent a car on Turo, you're renting from a real person. No shuttle rides, no waiting in line, no wandering a car lot. This is better than your typical car rental. This is... Download the app today.
If you're battling addiction, it's not easy to ask for help. It's hard to admit you really need it. Call End Addiction. Call and connect with representatives from a treatment center or rehab facility. End Addiction.
1-800-343-5793.
This is Holiday Baking Championship. I love the holidays. This is a mouthful of flavor.
Yes, yes, yes. It's super cool. All new Holiday Baking Championship. Monday night at 9 on Food Network and on Food Network app.
Mississippi's Lake Mary is a sportsman's paradise where many people own recreational camps. And this home's last feature is what lake living is all about.
Now I've got one more thing to show y'all. Let's step outside.
Okay. Oh, wow. Check this out.
Oh, this is a wonderful view. I saved the best for last.
Man, what a beautiful view. The pier's great. The structure of the camp is great. It's been built well. The inside, it's got a good layout. There is a lot here. What is that final price going to be? Is it going to fit into our budget? What is the asking price on it?
The asking price on this property is $375,000.
Okay. That's a little bit over what we were expecting to spend.
But this house is huge. It's got a lot of things that we really like, so maybe we should think about it.
The next property they'll see is on the south end of Lake Mary. It's 15 miles from the nearest town. And because the land is undeveloped, there's an abundance of wildlife. Lake Mary is a great place to cast a line. It's filled with catfish, bass, and white perch. But there's one fish no one wants to see: Asian carp.